Today we're going to review how to install the Microsoft Authenticator and configure conditional access using an Android. To start, open up the Google Play Store and search for Authenticator or Microsoft Authenticator. You'll see it here imaged by Microsoft Corporation with the blue padlock. Go ahead and install this and open it when it's ready. You'll have to approve the terms of service and then hit add an account, add a work or school account. You'll enter your email address as well as the password here and open in a browser. Once we're open in a browser here, more information will be required. We'll hit next. And it'll advertise the authenticator. We'll hit next, we already have it. And then we'll click the blue text here to pair our account. It's going to enable the app lock. This is going to demand that we have a biometric or a PIN on the phone itself. And then it's going to add the account. Even though we can see the account here, we're actually not quite done. You can click on the account here to confirm that it's generating a code. You do not need this code. Do not record this. It'll be here if you ever need it. But instead, on the Android, go ahead and switch applications. Typically, this is the bottom left soft button of the phone, sometimes some rectangles. Otherwise, go ahead and just open up your web browser again if you can't find that. Switch back over to Chrome where we were working on this, and we'll need to continue the process here, otherwise it doesn't take effect. You'll see here that it will begin generating a code. In this case 24, yours will be different. Remember this and then switch over to the Authenticator app where you'll enter this code. Once we see the green check mark here, the confirmation that it accepted the code, we know that we're done with that stage and we can proceed. It'll have us enter a phone number. It'll have us enter a phone number here where you'll receive a text message with a code. Confirm that. And now we're done with the initial enrollment. After finishing that, let's go back to the Authenticator app really quickly. And we'll do one last step here. When you open up your individual account here, you'll see the option for Enable Phone Sign-In. Go ahead and click on this button, and let's hit Continue. You should see some green checks here. If you don't, and it doesn't give you the option to continue, go ahead and open a support ticket at this time, or you can skip this process optionally. It'll take a few seconds here, so go ahead and be patient with it, but then it'll open up an authentication screen. You'll need to log in again and approve the code. Remember this code as you switch over to the app and enter it here. What this allows you to do when you're signing in is to click on Use App instead, rather than typing your password, and your phone will display this map. Moving forward, this is how you're going to authenticate. Even if you do enter the password, your phone should begin popping open a map for where the location is coming from, and it should give you the option to enter that code to confirm it. This map may not be accurate to a state level, but it should be accurate to a country level. If it says you're in California or Arizona, even though you're in New Mexico, that's okay. If you do have any trouble with this, though, please open up a support ticket. Otherwise, have a great day.